Hey, you already know what's cooking. Let's get right into it. I have some salmon right here. So beautiful, nice salmon fillet. I'm just going to pot dry them. Then I'm drizzling some olive oil all over it. Let the seasoning absorb. I'm going to put the seasoning on now. I have some garlic powder, paprika, Maggi seasoning, black pepper, and some parsley flakes. I put on that pan it, sprinkle it, then I go rub it in. I put some more paprika on it because I want the color to be nice and pretty. Right? So I am massaging the seasoning good and proper, Yep. Spin them over. Make sure every side is coated with the seasoning. Guys, please don't forget to like my video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support. Now I'm putting some more olive oil on it. Let the seasoning absorb a little bit more. So now I'm going to season my shrimp in the same plate. I put in some paprika on it already. Put in some Maggi seasoning now, all purpose. Put a little garlic powder, some black pepper, and then I just massaging that. Yeah. Rub up the shrimp them nice and pretty. Look at that well seasoning. Then I'm going to put them in this dish right here and cover it up, make them marinate for a couple minutes. Look at that, so beautiful. Now I am frying my salmon fillet. Look how beautiful that is, and it's not even done yet though. Trust me, this was so delicious, guys. I need to try this. So after I remove the salmon from the pot, I'm proceeding to cook my shrimp. Let them cook on that side, then I'm going to spin over each and every one of them. Quick and easy. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Adding my chopped garlic to the pot now. Saute the garlic a little, then I'm going to oil the spoon so that the honey can just run right off of the spoon. You see that? Then I'm adding a little water, and that is the pasta water I add to it. It can get like a body. In the meantime, I put like a salt in it. I add a little more water to it, and that is a little green season. And now I'm adding my salmon to the pot again. You don't need any more sauce than this. Just make the sauce nice and thick. Just coat your fish little by little. Look at that, nice and thick. And I am going to serve this up with some Alfredo pasta. Now I'm adding my shrimp to the same pot. Look how beautiful. Check that out. Wow. And you want to smell all this nice. See pasta boil over there, so? Yep. This is the Alfredo pasta. Trust me. This was so delicious. Drop a little parsley flakes, you know. See it there? Honey, garlic, salmon, and shrimp with Alfredo pasta, and a little veg on the side.